Hello friends, myself Pooja Bhand. I have completed BSc Computer Science from SP College Pune. Today's date is 10th of March 2022. Today's topic multithreading in Java. Multithreading in Java. Multithreading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. Multiprocessing and multithreading both are used to achieve multitasking. However, we use multithreading than multiprocessing because thread use a shared memory area. They don't allocate separate memory area, so saves memory, and context switching between the thread takes less time than process. Java multithreading is mostly used in games, animation, and etc. What are the advantages of Java multithreading? The first one is it doesn't block the user because threads are independent and you can perform multiple operations at the same time. You can perform many operations together, so it saves the time. The third one is threads are independent, so it doesn't affect other threads is an exception occurs in a single thread. What is a multitasking? Multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use multitasking to utilize the CPU. Multitasking can be achieved in two ways. The first one is process-based multitasking, that is multi-processing, and thread-based multitasking, that is multi-threading. The first one is process-based multitasking, that is multi-processing. Each process has an address in memory. In other words, each process allocates a separate memory area. A process is heavyweight. Cost of communication between the process is high. Switching from one process to another process and requires some time for saving and loading registers, memory maps, and updating lists, and etc. The second one is thread-based multitasking, that is multi-threading. Threads shares the same address space. A thread is lightweight. Cost of communication between the thread is low. Then what is the thread in Java? A thread is lightweight super process, the smallest unit of processing. It is a separate path of execution. Threads are independent. If there occurs exception in one thread, it doesn't affect other threads. It uses a shared memory area. A time one thread is executed only. Java provides thread class to achieve thread programming. Thread class provides constructors and methods to create and perform operations on thread. Thread class extends object class and implements runnable interface. Thread creation: by implementing the runnable interface, we create a new class which implements java.lang.runnable interface and override run method. Then we instantiate the thread object and call start method on the on these objects. So that's all about the multi-threading and the video topic. Thank you.